A new witness who claimed to have received a monthly allowance of up to 500,000 pesos from Vice President Jejomar Binay told a Senate investigation that biddings in Makati City under the Binays were all rigged.
Inaamin ko rin po na ako bilang isang konsyal ng dalawang termino na merong natatanggap buwan-buwan na halagang 70 to 90,000 pesos na nakalagay sa sobre at kung minsan naman po ay halagang 300 to 500,000 pesos na nakalagay naman po sa brown envelope.
Ernesto Aspillaga, a former councilor and member of the city's Bidding Awards Committee, said public biddings in the city ruled by the Binay family since 1986 were just for a show.
Bidding-biddingan, sinasabi nga po yung parang moro-moro. Pagdating po sa office ko, yung party's request na firmado na po ng mayor, may naka-attach na pong note na kung sino po ang mananalong supplier.
Paano mo sigurado na galing kay Vice President Binay yun or former Mayor Jejomar Binay?
Dahil sa sulat niya po, pamilyar naman po ako sa kanyang penmanship.
The Senate Blue Ribbon Committee is investigating the alleged overpriced construction in 2007 of the Makati City Car Park. The building was worth 2.3 billion but complainants said the cost should have only been 245.6 million, citing data from the National Statistics Office. This is Arvin Mendoza, reporting for Inquirer.net.